Hello, my friends. This is Ro, and it's day 4. Yeah, 4. One hand. Day 4 of Wholeness or Transformational Program with EFT tapping, the emotional freedom technique, and positive affirmations. And today's practice is about anxiety. Most of us have experienced or experience anxiety in different levels, and these days it's pretty normal to have that in a day-to-day basis sometimes because the world right now. So my heart goes out to you if you are experiencing pain or this anxiety, debilitating anxiety. My wish with this practice is to help you soothe that energy, to clear out any kind of emotion behind that anxiety, any kind of emotion that is generating that anxiety, or some thought about the past or the future. And as I always say, feel it to heal it. I actually struggled with panic attacks in the past, and the lesson I extracted from that experience is that give love to your body, to the moment where you are breathing and accepting that moment, just letting it float, letting the symptoms, the feelings, the thoughts just float through and out of you, trying not to fight the symptoms or the things going on or berating yourself. Let's begin. Let's start here. Take a deep breath in and exhale. I am here and now. I am here in the present moment. And I am safe. Today I choose to accept my anxiety. Today I choose to accept what has caused that anxiety. I love myself through this process. Yes, I am scared, and it feels so bad sometimes, so overwhelming. I don't know what to do. Perhaps I want to cry or scream, or I just want to hide in the corner of my room, talk to no one. Perhaps my anxiety manifests in very painful, hard ways. I'd send love to myself. I send love to my past selves who have struggled with this. I deeply and completely love and accept myself as I learn how to manage my anxiety and say goodbye to it. It's okay. I release any shame around my anxiety. I choose to see my anxiety with love. It's just a small part of me. I am not my anxiety. It's just a state of being that sometimes I find myself in. I choose to see my anxiety as an overexcited child. A very scared child that just needs my love and attention. I choose to extend grace to these uncomfortable sensations. I breathe through them. I see what's the true feeling behind these sensations. I see what are the thoughts behind this anxiety. And I move my body and release my overthinking. I release those ruminating patterns in body, mind, and spirit. I move my body and release my overfeeling. I breathe deeply and release all my fears. I clear all the ways my anxiety is harming my health. I am safe here and now. I clear all the ways I wouldn't be safe if I let my anxiety go. I clear all resistances against releasing my anxiety once and for all. I see my anxiety as excitement and potential. It is another kind of energy, but it's still energy. And I can use this energy in any way I want. I can make my anxiety work for me as excitement, as emotion, energy, aliveness. I treat my anxiety in a healthy way. Perhaps I can create something out of my anxiety. I turn my anxiety into powerful creative energy. Perhaps my anxiety can be a catalyst for change and self-transformation. I confront what makes me anxious and I conquer it. I am a brave and powerful person. I am patient with myself as I heal this. I am much more than these feelings and sensations. Deeply and completely love and accept myself. Thank you. Thank you, anxiety. I let you go. I am good by myself. I will call you when I need you. Until next time. We are a good girl. I love myself. I love you. Thank you. I love you. Thank you. I love you. Thank you. Thank you so much. I am so safe right now. Thank you. Take a deep breath in and let it all out. And I hope you're feeling better, my friend. Big love to you, and shout out to my fabulous Patreon supporters. Thank you so much for helping me in this creative and healing adventure here with my YouTube channel and all the content I create across my social media and my website. And yes, I'll see you next day for another practice in wholeness. Have an excellent day. Bye bye.